So here's a quick home inspection tip that oftentimes comes up. This is called a anti-tip bracket, and we're having a new stove installed. Probably 90% of the time, these brackets are not installed when a new stove goes in because either the installer doesn't take the time or care, or the owner just doesn't know about it. So this does come up. So with your stoves or dishwashers, there's always something similar. In this case, the back leg of the stove is just going to slide in there to prevent the stove from tipping over on anyone or anything that accidentally falls on the open door of the stove. So it's to prevent the stove from tipping over if somebody falls on it. Now, fortunately, our kids have never fallen on the stove, but our son has backed up and fallen onto the open dishwasher door. And so these brackets are helpful, they do work, and they do come up in the home inspection. So it's a pretty inexpensive, easy thing to take care of up front, and something that's really annoying to take care of at the 11th hour during home inspection.